Welcome, awesome people! Are you wondering how to thrive in the world of online business? The AI revolution is reshaping digital marketing, making it easier to earn passive income and manage digital products and services from home. With powerful marketing tools, you can streamline operations, reach new audiences, and keep your content optimized, all while generating multiple income streams. Imagine automating keyword research, competitor analysis, and ad management to save time and boost profitability. And speaking about tools, GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting. Lets you juggle profiles across different platforms seamlessly, a game changer for entrepreneurs managing multiple accounts. In statistics show a 60% growth in digital marketing adoption as more people seek flexible, work-at-home opportunities that turn side hustles into full-time income. By leveraging AI tools, you can personalize campaigns, create engaging content, and build a brand that connects with audiences, turning leads into loyal customers and positioning yourself for long-term success. The link in description for best tools to boost your income. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.